Hi, this is Paul Kinkowski with House Match, and today I'm going to be talking to you about 1099s. We're going to be going over your 1099 and your cash flow statement. I'm going to show you my screen right now, and I'll walk you through each of the three different scenarios. At the end of this video, we will also be interviewing our tax accountant, who will be giving you some more information on 1099s. Have a wonderful day. The first scenario that we're going over is a tenant who paid rent for January 2020 in December of 2019. So that could have been on the 31st, could have been on the 30th. So all the rent is right here, $16,716.50. That is rent that came in during 2019. For this property, they have electricity income, they have pet rent income, they have all the income. Now down here, they have $2,645. That is rent that was paid December probably 30th for January 1st, 2020. It has to be counted on the other year's taxes. So if we take $17,503.75 plus $2,645, we will get $20,148.75. That's how the 1099 is correct. The next scenario is this person paid rent income of $25,125. They have a prepaid rent here of $90. You're probably like, why is there $90? Well, in January of 2019, they paid their rent in December. And in January of 2020, they paid their rent in December. For this specific example, the reason there's $90 here is because their rent increased by $90. So what they paid a year ago and what they paid early this time was a $90 difference. So if we take $25,125 and $90, we will see $25,215. So $25,215, that would equal that. So that would equal what that 1099 is. The last scenario is we have $34,800. This could be good for somebody if you like this. They paid rent in January of 2019. They paid rent early. They paid it in December. So you already paid it in 2019 taxes. Now when you're doing taxes this year, they didn't pay rent till January 1st. So you see a prepaid rent of negative $1,500. So you're actually $34,800 minus $1,500 because you've already paid for January of 2019 taxes, and in January of 2020 they did not pay it early. So you can see this one is $1,500 less, so it's $33,300. I hope this helps explain this a little better. Now I'm going to be talking with Daniel Green to answer a few more tax questions for this year. Thank you.
Hello, my name's Daniel E. Green. I'm CPA, been working with House Match since the beginning of House Match. And I'm here today to talk to you about reporting the correct amount of rental income. If somebody pays you rent at the end of the year, even if you don't receive it until the next year, it might need to be reported in that year. It is based on when the tenant initiates that transaction. So if it's December 31st, it would still need to be reported in that year, not in the year when you receive it middle of January. It would have to be in the year where they initiated that transaction. You might have a situation where a tenant comes in November and pays a year in advance. That advance payment would need to be reported in the year that they signed the lease, and in this example, in November. I'm a CPA here in Temecula. If you mention House Match, we do give a 10% discount on services. Love to work with you. I've been working with Paul for years and years on his personal side with House Match since the beginning.